red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't with you. I'm a boss,
DJ Boy Life,
I make blood move. She say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly.
So once you see this guy, this fabulous man, you know a race is around the corner. So here to talk us about the Reggae Marathon coming up, race director Alfred Francis, marathon guru across Jamaica.
Guru?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
if you need to know about a marathon, you know, this is where you go.
Well, welcome.
Welcome. Thank you for having us. Even though it's alone, I'll say us.
So this is the 17th staging.
Yes, this is the 17th staging of the Reggae Marathon. Our first event was in 2001, and we have been going on 17 years, and we must be thankful that we could reach number 17.
Of course, and it's been bigger and better every year as far as I've heard.
It is a fantastic experience, you know, and it's a very good input when it comes to sports tourism. We really attract a lot of persons from all over the globe. Last year we had persons from 36 different countries coming to Jamaica. The majority of our participants are international visitors who come to Jamaica for a runcation.
Wow.
Yeah. And when you think about the Boston Marathon and things like that, the Reggae Marathon is an IAAF certified event.
Yes. I want to tell you about the Boston, and just to mention Boston. Boston is not an IAAF certified course because of it starts high and ends low.
Yeah.
So, but the Reggae Marathon is an IAAF certified course. Therefore, you can run a world record. You can qualify for the Olympics, the World Championship,
Wow,
and
awesome.
also qualify for Boston, because Boston asks that everybody qualifies, even though
They're not
you can't
certified.
run a world record there.
Yeah,
You know what
that's
I mean?
strange.
Yeah, but it's the marathons of marathons, so, because it's very old. And it's big prize money, and it comes with a certain amount of prestige. And the fact that if you have to run a qualifying time to go to Boston, and the qualifying times are based on your age, so people look up to it, and you know, as a mark of achievement.
You
to go
said
to the
two nice
Boston
words a
Marathon.
while ago, prize money. Is there a prize attached to the Reggae Marathon?
Yes, and one of the most significant prizes at Reggae Marathon is the Bob Marley Trophy. We got permission to
Use his image?
give a trophy, a replica of Bob Marley, and it's done by Barrington Watts, one of our great sculptures, and you get a replica
nice.
each year to take home. And we do give prize money. We give approximately $1 million Jamaican dollars in prizes. We also give 7 computers now in our schools championships. So we have the high schools who compete in the 10K. Because the Reggae Marathon, we have a 10K, we have a 21K, and the marathon is 42 Ks, or 26 miles. So we give prizes to the schools. We give cash prizes to the schools, and we also give them computers every year.
So how do you get to participate? So Keenan and I want to come.
Well, you could go to reggaemarathon.com and you can register online.
So you don't have to have a pre-qual time or anything
No,
like that to be able
Reggae
to
Marathon
participate.
is
It's open.
fun. Yeah, and you know,
I saw the pictures, you know, I see people in the ocean when you're finished. and
it's
stuff, so-
absolutely fabulous. I mean, and you know, we have gotten a lot of awards and accolades. We have the world's best pasta party. So they say, yes. Because most marathons have a pasta party the day before, so you carb up.
Yes.
And, you know, build the energy store for next day. And that's put on by the hoteliers in Negril, the GHD Reggae Marathon Pasta Party. And it's really a culinary delight. And people all over the world. And I've never been to a marathon anywhere in the world and seen the type of pasta party that we have. Our guys go all out to make it special.
Oh, so the pasta party is next Friday.
It's a Friday evening.
Friday evening.
Question, once you register for the marathon, the pasta parties
You get
included.
everything. And let me tell you a little more. On Thursday, from 1 to 5, we have big pickup. And you know, you get a nice Puma bag, you get a nice Puma t-shirt, and with all other goodies. And on Friday, we have big pickup again from 1 to 8, and the pasta party that starts from 5 to 8. Then at 5:15 on Saturday morning, we
Kick
start
off.
with a marathon, the half marathon, and the 10K. And then we have a concert in the park. And Long Bay Beach Park it's a beach. It's a beach park.
So you're on the beach,
You're
pretty
on
much
the beach,
chilling
so you
for
can
the
go on the
rest.
beach, you come in, you get your red stripe beer, your coconut, your bulla, your orange, your banana, and you go right on the beach where we have tent set up and you get a massage.
Okay. And all
And then
of
you
this
can
is
go in the
included?
water, everything. Once you pay entry fee, you
So
get
where-
everything.
where
And
do-
everybody get a fantastic Reggae Marathon medal.
Nice.
Everybody, once
Even
you
if I
finish.
come dead last and
If
cross
you
the line
come
last.
once you finish, you get a medal because it's a significant achievement to participate at the Reggae Marathon.
course it
And
is.
we want you to have something
memory.
to show that you participated.
You mentioned pickup of packages. Where will patrons, participants get to pick up their packages?
Yes, over at Couples Swept Away. I mean, I must say when we went to Negril in 2001, I must compliment Mr. Issa for embracing us and has been a stalwart when it comes to accommodating us in Negril. So over at Couples Swept Away, they have a nice sports complex there, and that's where we are housed. That's where we're going to have the pasta party. That's where we have big pickup on both days.
Okay.
All right. Well, you heard from the man himself, race director Alfred Frano Francis. So Reggae Marathon, we'll probably no, probably
Magni
next
them
year.
can't manage that. Magni can't manage no more than a 1K. But
Yeah.
enjoy your runcations for all you people who are here.
We're going to dial back the clock a few years and have a chat with our dog. We're
Yes,
not talking
dogs.
about
We're gonna talk to the dollars when we come back. We'll soon come. We'll soon come. We'll soon come.
Talk to Dolly.
Recibo copina. Recibo copina.